Hi everyone, I'm back. So in the last video, I did the unboxing of the upright go-to posture thing. And on this video, I'm gonna set it up. I try to read the instructions, but I'm not very good at following them. So just, this would be a trial and error thing. So just bear with me. The first step is to download the app, which I have downloaded the app. And the first part of the app is asking you your female, male, your weight. And of course, I'm not going to show my height or my weight on here, so we're probably going to we're skipping through that. So you do all of that, and then they start asking you questions like how many hours do you sleep daily, and they have options 0, 3 to 5, so on and so on. So I picked 5 to 10. Then how would you rate your overall back pain? And it's like no pain to unbearable pain, which is 1 through 10. And so I picked a 5. Sometimes it could be a 6. Actually, I picked a 6, sorry. Because it kind of, my back hurts like from the middle of my back all the way to the back, to the lower back. That's where it hurts when I'm like slouching like this. So that's where I picked number 6. And it says, how would you rate your posture? And again, it's mostly slouch to mostly upright. And I picked a 3 because I know for a fact most of the time I'm slouching. And that is the reason I'm doing this. So those are the questions that they ask. And then once you answer all those questions, then you get to what they start setting up my training plan. So this is the part that will go. So according to this, the training plan consists of daily goals that gradually increase in duration. Each Go user is provided a custom training plan based on their personal profile. So I guess based on the answers that I just input in here, that's how they come up with this plan for me. And then once you complete your training plan, we recommend you keep training for 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week to maintain a healthy training balance and keep improving your posture. They do recommend rest and breaks. In order to maintain a healthy balance, the Go will automatically pause your training after 20 minutes, notifying you with the long vibration. And you can choose to disable this behavior through settings. So I guess you can disable the breaks and all that stuff. Then they have sessions. As you progress with your training plan, your daily goals will be divided into training sessions. Clinical studies show that repetition plays a significant role in habit formation. Dividing your training into a shorter session creates this repetition, which I guess it goes back to what I think I mentioned on the past video. That it's basically, it's not going to fix, this thing is not going to fix your posture. And it's basically training your body to stand up straight, which is like, it's an exercise. Like you're going to be exercising and you're going to form this pattern or this rhythm of like, you're going to notice more when you're like slouching, and your back is going to hurt a lot more once you start getting back to slouching, I would think. Okay, so now I've read that, so let's click on next. And I'm gonna put Click next. It says upright go has 2 modes, while on training mode, vibration feedback is on. So vibration on. Okay. So I guess this is what we're going to see when we have it on. Once the countdown is over, your go will vibrate. Later in the app, you can tap the red circle to adjust the vibration feedback. Next. Tracking mode. In tracking mode, the go won't vibrate, but still track your posture through the day. Okay. Daily goal. You can only achieve your daily goals in training mode. That's weird. Okay, next. Let's start using your upright go first. Press the power button. Okay, so here we go. Grab my little power button. Okay, it says to... Okay, so I tapped it. Next. Upright go would like to use your Bluetooth. Okay. Connecting to your upright go. Girl, you better connect. Okay, so let's try again. Oh, there it goes. It wasn't on. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but now it's flashing green, so I think now it's connected. So peel off the green pattern covering from the backside of your go. Attach the go vertically on your upper back. Any spot you can comfortably reach. Either side can be facing up. Okay, so I guess this is where this thing comes on. Okay. Make sure we get all this stuff. That it's all the oils in your skin, and I think most people put it like right here. It's gotta be on your spine, so make sure. Get it all. Okay, so peel off the green pattern. Okay, so peeling off from the attach the go vertically on your upper back to any spot you can comfortably reach. Either side can be facing up. Okay, so oh shoot, I'm gonna feel like robot. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it right here. It's still wet. I'm blowing like if it's gonna help. Okay. Okay, so it's there. You can't really feel it. I mean, you can tell that it's there, but you can't really feel it. Okay, next. Please note, to avoid losing your upright go, we recommend using it indoors for the first few training sessions until you get used to wearing it, which is why I got the necklace, because in case we have to go somewhere, then I can wear the necklace and not worry about losing this $100 piece of equipment. Okay, set posture teaches the device whether you are upright or not. Okay, next. Move your upright position. Try not to extend. Set posture. Set posture. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Your upright is set to posture. You are now training. Good to know. Oh shit. Okay. Damn, that was easy. I feel like I might have missed a step or two. You're ready to start improving your posture. For best result, use go at least 3 times a week. Okay, I'm ready. Improve your training. Choose allow on the next dialog to receive real-time training updates such as you achieve your daily goal, you've been slouching for too long, your battery is running low, share things, whatever. Allow. Hi there, choose one of our 3 trainers to better adjust the vibration feedback. Okay, close. Okay, so switch to, okay. It's not vibrating. Oh, so it looks like it actually lets you slouch a little, but if you stay there for too long, okay, so sometimes I'm like this. So there, it's counting. I think I need to reset it though, because this is not slouching, but I feel like I am slouching. Oh, there it goes. It's counting. Ooh. Oh my goodness. So I guess since I'm in the training, we're gonna do it for today. They recommend 5 minutes. So I've started the training for 5 minutes, and then I can take it off and then do it tomorrow for longer. So for day 1, it says here the goal is 6 minutes. Training is 2 minutes. Tracking 0 minutes. So I will report back on how this thing actually works, but so far it's kind of weird. But I think I will go back and reset it because I feel like this is me slouching. So actually it might help. I'm okay with that. Because then sometimes I'm like this and I'm eating. So I think I'll leave it alone for now. Okay, so this is it for now. I will wear it and report back from 2 to 3 weeks and see how it goes. But I think it might work, at least for me. It might help me fix my posture a little bit, train me to not slouch all the time. So I will report back and see you until next time. Bye.